how to optimize inventory management in warehousing. Effective inventory management is crucial for ensuring smooth warehouse operations and meeting customer demand. Some ways to optimize inventory management include utilizing technology. As mentioned, WMS and other technologies can provide real-time data on inventory levels and movement, allowing for better planning and decision-making. Implementing an organized storage system. By organizing goods based on size, weight, and demand, warehouse operators can easily access and manage inventory. Conducting regular audits. Regularly auditing inventory levels can help identify and address discrepancies and prevent stockouts or overstocking. Implementing just-in-time JIT inventory management. JIT minimizes the need for excess inventory by keeping only enough stock to meet immediate demand, reducing carrying costs and waste. Don't miss our exciting exploration of groundbreaking technologies revolutionizing the transportation industry in our previous video.